Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Riviere-du-Loup local and long-distance movers near me. Are you trying to find a trustworthy and cheap Riviere-du-Loup moving company? 3 Movers is the right choice for your local or long-distance move. We know how to make moving easier for you and give you the right team for your moving day. Our movers will help you with relocating your business, home, apartment, condo, equipment, furniture, and more. When you need to relocate 100 miles away or further, we have the right moving services for you. Our team can handle everything, including the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to relocate across the country or just 100 miles to the next city, we can help. Our team knows how to make moving so much easier for you. If it's time to handle a local move, you need the right Canada Moving Company to help. Without professional movers, you'll be stuck doing all the heavy lifting on your own. When you hire the right movers, it becomes easier to relocate. 3 Movers offers the best team to handle your local move. We streamline the process to save you time and energy. Our team can turn your 3-day move into a 3-hour move with ease. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Riviere-du-Loup moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.